Welcome, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the future of cleaning with the top 5 best robot vacuums of 2024. Say goodbye to manual vacuuming and hello to hands-free cleaning with these cutting-edge robotic helpers. Whether you're a busy professional, a pet owner, or just someone who values a clean home, these robot vacuums are sure to revolutionize your cleaning routine. Don't forget to check the links in the description to get your hands on these innovative cleaning gadgets. So, let's jump into the world of automated cleaning and discover the perfect robot vacuum for your home. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the iLife A4S. Affordable yet efficient, this robot vacuum offers powerful suction and intelligent navigation to keep your floors spotless without breaking the bank. With its slim design and versatile cleaning modes, the iLife A4S is perfect for tackling dirt, dust, and pet hair in any home. The iLife A4S Max Robot Vacuum Cleaner, your ultimate cleaning companion for a spotless home. With its powerful 2000 pascal suction, this cordless robotic vacuum effortlessly tackles dirt, dust, and pet hair from hard floors to medium carpets. Let's dive into the features that make the iLife A4S Max stand out. Take control of your cleaning schedule and settings with the iLife Home app. Whether you're at home or on the go, you can easily manage your robot vacuum's operation from your smartphone. Choose from a variety of cleaning modes to suit your needs. Max Mode delivers enhanced suction power for deep cleaning. Auto Mode adjusts suction for large spaces. Spot Mode targets specific areas with intense suction. And Edge Mode focuses on corners and edges. Say goodbye to embedded debris with the A4S Max's Auto Boost feature. When it detects carpets, the suction power automatically increases to effectively lift dirt and debris. The unique bristle and rubber combo roller ensure efficient cleaning on both hard floors and carpets. Plus, it reduces tangling, especially when picking up pet hair, for hassle-free maintenance. In addition to the iLife A4S Max Robot Vacuum, you'll receive a remote control, charging dock, AC power adapter, cleaning tool, extra filter, and side brushes. Everything you need for effortless cleaning. With its sleek design, smart features, and powerful performance, the iLife A4S Max Robot Vacuum Cleaner is the perfect solution for maintaining a clean and tidy home. Say goodbye to manual vacuuming and hello to convenience and efficiency. Upgrade to the iLife A4S Max today and enjoy a cleaner home with less effort. Coming in at number 4, we have the Shark IQ Robot Self-Empty XL. Designed for convenience and performance, this robot vacuum combines powerful suction with a self-emptying base for hassle-free cleaning. With its advanced mapping technology and long battery life, the Shark IQ robot ensures thorough cleaning and seamless navigation in any home. The Shark IQ Robot Vacuum AV1002AE with XL Self-Empty Base, your ultimate cleaning solution for a spotless home. Let's dive into what makes this second-generation robot vacuum stand out. Say goodbye to the hassle of emptying your vacuum after every clean. The Shark IQ robot self-empties with each cycle into a convenient bagless base that holds up to 30 days of dirt and debris, keeping your hands clean and your home fresh. With deep cleaning power, this robot vacuum tackles both large and small debris, as well as pet hair, on both carpets and hard floors. Enjoy a thorough clean every time, leaving your floors spotless. The Shark IQ robot cleans methodically, row by row and room to room, ensuring complete coverage of your entire home. No corner is left untouched, providing you with peace of mind knowing every inch is cleaned. When it's time to recharge, the Shark IQ robot automatically returns to its base, recharges, and then picks up right where it left off, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning until the job is done. Featuring a multi-stage filtration system, this robot vacuum captures dust, dander, and allergens, making it ideal for households with pets. Breathe easier knowing your home is clean and free of allergens. Start cleaning with ease using Google Assistant, Alexa, or simply tap on the app. Enjoy the convenience of controlling your robot vacuum from anywhere, anytime. The multi-surface brush roll effortlessly pulls in dirt and debris from both carpets and floors, delivering exceptional cleaning performance across all surfaces. Included with the Shark IQ Robot Vacuum AV1002AE are 2 side brushes and 1 filter, providing you with everything you need for a thorough clean. Upgrade your cleaning routine with the Shark IQ Robot Vacuum AV1002AE and experience unparalleled convenience and efficiency in keeping your home pristine. Say goodbye to manual vacuuming and hello to effortless cleaning with the Shark IQ Robot Vacuum. Sliding into the number 3 spot is the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus. Engineered for superior cleaning performance, this robot vacuum features advanced navigation, customizable cleaning schedules, and self-emptying capabilities. With its high-efficiency filter and powerful suction, the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus delivers a deeper clean for your floors. The iRobot Roomba S9 Plus self-emptying robot vacuum, the pinnacle of cleaning technology designed to give you and your home the ultimate clean. Let's delve into what makes this robot vacuum stand out. Elevate your cleaning experience with groundbreaking technology and a sophisticated design. The Roomba S9 Plus is iRobot's smartest and most powerful robot vacuum yet, ensuring a superior clean every time. With 40 times the suction power, the superior 3-stage cleaning system lifts, loosens, and eliminates debris and pet hair from deep within your carpets. The Power Boost technology increases suction to clean even deeper, leaving your carpet spotless. Utilizing Perfect Edge technology with advanced sensors and a specially designed corner brush, the Roomba S9 Plus optimizes cleaning deep into corners and along edges. Ideal for homes with pets, its 30% wider dual rubber brushes don't get tangled with pet hair, ensuring a thorough clean. Equipped with V-SLAM navigation, the Roomba S9 Plus learns the layout of your home and builds personal smart maps, allowing it to expertly clean and navigate in neat, efficient rows. If it's running low on battery, it automatically recharges and resumes cleaning, ensuring no spot is left untouched. Cleaning up messes is effortless with the Roomba S9 Plus. Simply command, Roomba, clean under the kitchen table, to your voice assistant or via the iRobot Home app, and the S9 Plus will promptly tackle the mess for you, right when it happens. Included with the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus are the necessary components for optimal cleaning, providing you with everything you need for a pristine home. Upgrade to the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus self-emptying robot vacuum and experience the future of cleaning technology, where convenience meets superior performance. Say goodbye to tedious cleaning tasks and hello to effortless, hand-free cleaning with the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus. Our runner-up at number 2 is the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus. Designed with pet owners in mind, this robot vacuum offers intelligent pet detection and automatic disposal of pet hair. With its advanced features, including allergen lock bags and personalized cleaning recommendations, the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus is the ultimate solution for pet-friendly homes. The iRobot Roomba J7 Plus 7550 self-emptying robot vacuum, the ultimate solution for effortless and efficient cleaning. Let's explore the innovative features that make this vacuum stand out. With Imprint Smart Mapping, only iRobot gives you the power to control and schedule which rooms are cleaned and when. You can store multiple maps for easier cleaning on each level of your home. Plus, customizable keep-out zones and clean zones allow you to specify the exact areas to avoid and clean, giving you complete control over your cleaning schedule. The Roomba J7 Plus is equipped with advanced sensors that enable it to avoid common obstacles like socks, shoes, and pet waste. This ensures a seamless cleaning experience without interruptions. Say goodbye to the hassle of emptying your vacuum's dustbin frequently. The Roomba J7 Plus empties itself for up to 60 days, ensuring continuous cleaning without any manual intervention. The uniquely designed multi-surface rubber brushes and edge sweeping brush are specially designed to pull in dirt, debris, and pet hair from wherever it hides. With the Roomba J7 Plus, you can keep your home clean and pet hair-free with ease. Control your Roomba J7 Plus with simple voice commands using Amazon Alexa. Whether you want to start a cleaning cycle, schedule a cleaning, or customize cleaning preferences, you can do it all hands-free with Alexa integration. Upgrade to the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus 7550 self-emptying robot vacuum and experience the future of home cleaning. With its smart features, advanced navigation, and powerful cleaning capabilities, the Roomba J7 Plus makes cleaning your home easier and more convenient than ever before. Say hello to a cleaner, healthier home with the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus. And finally, claiming the coveted number 1 spot is the Robotic S7 Max Ultra. Setting the standard for robotic cleaning excellence, this flagship model from Robotic offers unparalleled performance and innovation. With its sonic mopping technology, multi-floor mapping, and advanced obstacle avoidance, the Robotic S7 Max Ultra takes autonomous cleaning to a whole new level. The Robotic S7 Max Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, the ultimate cleaning solution for your home. Let's dive into the amazing features that make this device stand out. Experience hands-free cleaning with the Robotic Ultra, offering a new level of convenience. With features packed into one dock, all you need to do is sit back, relax, and let the Roborock S7 Max Ultra take care of the mess. It's the perfect gift for families and friends. Say goodbye to dirt and dust with the enhanced 5,500 pascals Hyperforce suction. Equipped with an upgraded floating rubber brush that stays close to uneven floors, this robot vacuum ensures thorough cleaning on both floors and carpets. The Carpet Boost feature allows for deeper cleaning on carpets, leaving them spotless. The Roborock S7 Max Ultra detects and avoids objects on the floor, eliminating the need to move anything before starting a cleanup. It can also suggest no-go zones automatically, preventing the vacuum from getting stuck in tight spots or accidentally falling downstairs. This innovative system removes dried stains 30% more effectively than traditional robot mops, thanks to sonic scrubbing at 3,000 times per minute. Combined with consistently high downward pressure, it leaves less dirt behind than spinning mops. Switch to the deep mode in the app for better cleaning on dirty floors. Vacuum carpets and mop floors simultaneously with auto mop lifting. The robot vacuum automatically lifts and lowers the mop as needed, distinguishing between hard floors and carpets for optimal cleaning results. Receive updates on accessory replacement times through the Roborock application. Promptly replace filters based on the given time to prevent clogs that could cause the vacuum to get stuck. Upgrade to the Roborock S7 Max Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo for a smarter, more efficient cleaning experience. With its advanced features and intelligent design, it's the perfect addition to any home. There you have it, the top 5 best robot vacuums of 2024. Whether you're looking for affordability, convenience, or cutting-edge features, these robot vacuums offer the perfect solution for keeping your home clean and tidy. Don't forget to check the links in the description to get your hands on these innovative cleaning gadgets. Until next time, happy cleaning and enjoy the convenience of robotic assistance in your home.